Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make banana bread pancakes. Mash ripe bananas until smooth and measure wet and dry ingredients separately. Combine flour, baking powder, and sugar in one bowl and whisk eggs, milk, melted butter, and mashed banana in another. Fold wet into dry until just combined without overmixing. Heat a non-stick pan over medium heat and cook pancakes until golden, flipping once when bubbles form. Measure ingredients precisely for consistent results and keep a relaxed approach when mixing the batter. Mash bananas to a smooth but slightly textured consistency and whisk together eggs, milk, and melted butter into the banana. Sift flour with baking powder and sugar, then gently fold the dry mix into the wet until just combined. Let the batter rest a few minutes so bubbles can form and the texture becomes light and airy before cooking. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing easy recipes. Quick recommendation: the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum handles crumbs and spills while you cook, plus voice control makes cleanup seamless and almost magical. It's a handy kitchen companion when you want to relax and enjoy pancakes without sweeping every 5 minutes. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Heat a skillet to medium and use a small ladle for consistent 3 to 4 inch pancakes. Grease lightly and pour batter, watching for bubbles that indicate readiness to flip. Cook about 2 to 3 minutes per side. Stack pancakes and keep warm in a low oven if making a large batch. Top with butter, maple syrup, toasted nuts, or extra banana slices and serve immediately for the best texture and flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.